Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Me and my friend Lola, show your face. We came out for a afternoon coffee. I don't think she will drink, but let's see what she can drink. But yeah, this coffee shop, they serve coffee with flower. So yeah, this is something new. So try to bagi la phone ko. Is it okay if I speak in my language?
Well, why not?
Right, thank you. Go, man, go. Wala ke ko. Ay, jatuh siya. Shida neba. Shida. Yeah. Are we crossing now?
Yeah.
So this is a shop. Yeah, that's that. Mayam sigi coffee shop se ko koina coffee order toro matung da ko sigi flower se siga pi ne ba ko saina.
No, they see outside. Flowers outside.
Oh yeah, even the outside is very beautiful though. Mayam, aiga Lola ga coffee thakpa lakpa ne ba ko sigi mafam da sigi coffee gi shop se saina coffee ga duga ne flower go ina pi ba ko na si coffee ga coffee se ko na choose tau jabani even flowers se khamra sidagi sidai ko na ina select tau zara ga khamra kano tawe ba lobani ba ko moina select tau na hai ba ko so makhan makhan gi flower lai ko na select tau ga loba yai and amana ko sign ta I'm a flower na ko. Well, that's yours. I'm gonna sign like this. Hai pi. Ni mẹ em lại mà khuôn suy âm hầu ấy.
Rose is beautiful.
Yeah, this is. Let me show yours one very first. Well, it's for us.
It's getting weird.
Yeah, maybe they must have kept it like from a very long time. We had to call so many people.
Thank God.
Coffee is nice. Really nice. But yeah, I've been talking and I didn't even take a sip of coffee that I really wanted and to taste this. What it is written there? Show Mozart Flower and Coffee. It seems. Okay, so it just like I don't know if this can be seen.
Yeah.
Well,
today.
not picking up your call was not my intention. Like, not intention that I don't want to pick up.
It's because you know you're waiting for someone. You should know that okay, I should keep my phone at hand so that if he or she calls, I'll be able to pick on time. But you didn't do that.
No, like that, Lola.
Then like that.
Seriously. And
It's been good. I decided not to work for some days. So
yeah, that's what I'm not seeing you working.
Yeah.
Otherwise, my friend, me and Lola, we plan like, okay, let's try to
I
sip
plan
ourselves.
to work from next week and all that. I just decided to take
Yeah, just because you are just back from the vacation. You know,
It's not even because of that.
you know,
I just don't
no, you know what I was thinking? I was like, Lola, after a long back, no, this is my old one.
What do Rasta give you?
And my friend Lola thought this is my engagement ring. No, this is not. This is like my family ring, kind of.
Okay.
Every sibling of ours, wear this, the same color stone, and everybody has this. It's kind of like family thing, but not an engagement ring. Well, do you see anybody wearing green color stone for the engagement ring?
I wouldn't know. You might be the first person to start.
Oh my God, can be.
If it's your choice, there is no law. There is no way it is written.
Like,
If
yeah,
you
what
wear this
people like,
particular-
they can just pick up.
Some wear diamond, some wear gold, some wear whatever.
Well, right, the
So,
platinum stuff and all.
I think I'm
Well,
wearing
your fingers
several.
are not so big, like it's small.
Several.
Mine
You should be
is
wearing like
mine is smaller than yours.
maybe
Just
6.5.
I don't know the
I'll be
size,
wearing
but
7.
I go for like the smallest one. So I was telling,
Like that. So probably 6 and almost 6.
how do I trust again?
My friend is in love. I don't charge my phone. I thought I was charging, but I don't switch all
Let me
the
enjoy
switch.
this though.
Shut up. I'm talking to you. I'm not talking to you anymore. Where are we going next? I don't like this weather. It's too cool, kind of. And
Well,
it
I
gets
got my
dark on
umbrella.
time.
Did you get
Me
your
too.
umbrella?
Yeah.
I knew that it can rain anytime.
I know.
So I got my umbrella. Well, Lola, recently I started thinking, I started living in this thought that, you know, sometimes everybody gets sad. It could be anything. It can be I mean, like, we can be sad on any topic, related to family, related to ourselves, or could be anything.
Mm-hmm.
So now I started telling my mom to myself that whatever happened, be happy, spend your time.
Yeah.
You know, the time it goes when you are sad and the time that goes when you're happy is the same. So why don't you,
Yeah, that's
like,
true.
if you are like very sad and you know that with your sadness the problem will be solved, then I will be sad throughout. I could make that face
Do you
throughout.
think any problem is solved when you are sad? No.
Nothing. So be happy. Be happy. That's
So
all.
you don't have to. Sometimes you just have to do take a step and
I love this.
that's good. At least you find a coffee that you love.
Si khobani gi coffee gi flower ne ba ko. Anyway, I hana ut khaba nga tane. So hana khobani gi ne ba ko. Moi saina serve to busi am phajai ba ko hana coffee ga hain taraga. Serve to ba ko hana. Ado nupi na bu flower palm de haiba natra. Aduna yam harawe. Ado ai gi jama ji chutti leibne ba ko. And are we both working tomorrow?
Yeah.
I am. So we both are working tomorrow. So adum ngasi chutti leibai ko. Enjoy tawgena katang mind fresh hoina ngai tholapane. But the weather is not so our liking, yeah? Not into our liking because it's kind of like drizzling. Sometimes it's hot and sometimes cold. It's kind of like a mixed weather. No, Khwani Regent Park is Regent Park is very close to our hospital, and autumn season oibagi flower ka yam tabado yam phajani bako adana just hang out tawgeba coffee gi thakpadi loire bako almost, but I should carry it also okay.
Are you planning to go with the flower?
Of course.
Yeah, let's put it into.
Two of this together like
Yeah.
that.
You can finish your coffee.
Yeah. Wow.
This one is Regent this now.
He was suggesting me like what to eat. I'm like, that girl needs something particular. If she likes something, that only she eats. Otherwise, she doesn't eat anything.
Shut up.
Yes, you are.
Shut up. You know, when I went to US, my sister was like, okay, they should take me out to the this. I said, no, I'm not interested. Then they're like, okay, they're going to buy chocolate and we have to heat it. So they bought it. You know chocolate, right?
I don't know.
It's made of rice, yogurt,
Your sister made it for you.
corn, salad, whatever. Really? Please.
So she made it for you?
No, we bought it.
Okay.
It was nice though, not bad. Okay. I just had a taste, but it's not something I will buy on a normal day. Come on, let's go. This weather always makes me feel as if it's late already.
I'm done with my coffee. Lola drank some chai. Okay. 그만 이제 밥 먹게 먹어. 나도 밥 먹을 게. 아이. 뭐기 거 뭐 탁도 주고. 사이나 탐매요. 아이나 flower 나다. It's so funny. 이제 사자. Yeah, that's the way I cross every day. So even me, I'm not happy to follow that route. Weather no kaya muka. Now it's good. The weather is good now.
Yeah, it's better. Not so
It's
good.
better, yeah. Unless it rains, you know.
Yeah, hopefully it's not going to rain. Guys, I told Lola to walk from there, okay? Let's see how she walks. Lola, stop there. Now start coming. See how she comes. She's like, I'm forcing her to walk. Like that, she's coming. See her, look at her. Am I like forcing you to walk? Like that? Ta-da!
Mayam, sige mo. Pamsa, yang pasayo. Ay, pura green. Look at that. I get flowers eh. Sige mo, pamsa, pura yang pasayo. Do they plant this flower like every time? Do they? You think so? Or is it like
I think
seasonal, but
they
it just grow by themselves?
Maybe.
But there are people to take care of this park,
Yeah.
for sure, and we are paying money for that. The taxes.
Yeah, sure.
Wow. And the scene behind, Lola is busy taking pictures. And this is my flower.
You sure it's a flower?
Giddy, giddy, giddy. It's very nice, yeah. You know the flowers are costly here. They charge more for the flower, not for the coffee.
Exactly.
Am I seen properly? Once I did like this to Roderick, okay? I'm like this to Roderick. Roderick standing in the nursing station, he's like Oh, it's nice. Oh, the color is nice.
It goes along with your nail color, right?
Is it? No, it doesn't. Does it?
So the almost.
Yeah, put it here. Yeah, put it here. Oh, she's pressing my hair. Can we dance? Please. One, two. It doesn't fall. This is the only nice tree I've seen so far. This is nice. Huh? This is nice. See this? Do. 지금 밤새 양 파자이 거파잠 I 만나기 되죠. I want to show what Lola is doing. Jump again. I covered you that time, so do it. 1, 2. That's nice. I put my hand on something.
What?
See, I don't know what this is.
It's on the floor.
Is it
Yeah,
dog?
I think it's the soap.
Oh, is it dog shit? I don't know. I put my hand on something.
Does that mean
Our hearts beat
Yeah, it could be. It could be.
streets.
It could be.
We began to feel the fire.
It could be.
We rise like
Don't put one.
tall buildings as the chemicals they take us higher. The night's young and it's just begun as she puts her hand in mine. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light.
So, Kwani la ebuka, Regent Park sida. Yami miyam sila ebuka. Ada aina camera puthoga video namdo ko mi sinsina dum yingi bai do duga aina go video namge haraga khogi ro kaino de lambi gi mayai de thambda ado moina ko camera do yinga chale ado aina ko camera do kaw gani na pakhali bai do hedi kaw biramadi na. See my friend Lola, she's busy with her phone from that time. Coming out with her and she's just
you're busy editing, not talking on your phone.
busy editing here. You think I'm just taking video and
Yeah.
you think I'll be
so-
editing now?
Okay. Hello, Hatum. How can I help you this evening?
Well, I'm more happy that you came out with me. We are spending good time
He's
here.
been accusing me of spending more time on my phone, so I'm going to keep my phone in my pocket for now, so that I can focus on you. What do you think?
That's a good idea.
Oh, great.
How is life going on?
Anyway, pretty well.
Well, it's nice. I will not complain about my life, I would say.
No,
Like, I'm
there's nothing
happy.
to complain about.
Yeah,
You know?
I'm happy with whatever things are going so far. Going home. And you know what thing
Oh my God, this is going to be the third time going on this year, right?
yeah.
Oh,
Well, I
my
keep on
goodness.
going. Also, you know what I'm going to do when I go home this time?
okay.
It's just eating a lot and lots of Manipuri, our
Then you're
traditional.
going to become
stuff.
extra KFC.
Don't reveal that about the
Oh, don't
KFC.
mind me. It's not a joke between the
But
two of
yeah,
us.
with my nephews, with my mom, I'll be going out and eating a lot of stuff this time.
Please, just make sure you don't.
That I don't
drag
put on
all
weight.
All your clothes, please.
You know, the other day, Lola,
Yeah.
I was watching our videos, the old one, like when we came here in Sweden, not here, but yeah, in Sweden for the first time, and we had our Oski stuff. And those days pictures, when I see, I feel like, oh,
Yeah, I was so
that
skinny
kind
then,
of give me
right?
like very emotional vibes. Like, oh my God, we were like this.
I
You
was
know,
so skinny.
you were so, even me. I came with so short hair, and then
I
we
came
were
with braids.
yes, you came with
Yeah.
face. But you were beautiful that though.
Thank you for that.
But yeah. Well, yeah,
it's
the
it's a good time to reminisce on, you know.
Yeah, I was kind of like getting emotional. I was like, oh, we were like this, and now it's not that like not bad, but it just like things got changed. We also learned a lot coming here.
So growing up.
And initial days we were like we were a bit.
You know, the other time I was telling my friends about how we used to go out on our way back from work. We ran to KFC, we buy chicken and chips, and we eat on the way. It was so fun. Anyway.
No, yesterday I got like KFC, and then when I was eating on the way, I remember you all. I'm like, you know, me and Lola, we used to be like this eating KFC and the fry stuff.
I know.
It's so nice to be with you.
I know, yeah, it's good to come out once in a while to, spend time together, enjoy the weather, it's good to keep each other's company.
Yeah.
So nice.
Very nice. Let's come out again the other day also.
Soon. Maybe when you're back from home.
Yeah.
Maybe
or we can plan for like going out, like the movie night or something that we plan
that
for.
Would be so nice. Both of us haven't gone for a movie night together before.
Yeah.
I think it's going to be a nice time.
That would be.
Yeah. Okay. See ya. Thanks for staying with us. Bye.
Bye. We say one day you'll leave this world behind. So live a life you will remember. My father told when I was such a child. This is my flower for the day. I'm happy with this, and actually this look very beautiful. Oh
yeah, it's actually cute.
Yeah, cute.